Good day everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, let us discuss about finding out a square root of a given number without using library function. There are several methods available to find out square root of a given number. Out of that, Newton-Raphson method is well suited for programming and it is also a best method. Let us have a look into algorithm part. Firstly, we have to take approximate root for the square root. In the next step, we have to add the approximate root with the original number divided by the approximate root and divide by 2. Step number 2 should be repeated until the difference in the approximate root is less than the precision value. So finally, the approximate root is the square root of the number. Let us take an example. Let the number be 4 and approximate root I am considering is also a 4. In the first step, iteration 1, according to our formula, so x1 equals to 4 plus 4 by 4 divided by 2, so which results in 2.5. In the second step, so 2.5, which is our updated approximate root, plus the number 4 by the approximate root 2.5 divided by 2, which results in 2.05. So accordingly, in the fourth step, we get almost an equal value, that is 2.006, so which is less than the precision value. So finally, the root for the number, the square root for a number 4 is 2. Understanding the concept of Newton-Raphson method, let us now see how to write a program to find square root of a number using it. Assuming that you know the scope of #include stdio.h and void main, I am jumping into the declaration part. I have two variables declared, x and n, which is a floating point data type. N is to store the original number for which we have to find a square root. X is to store the selected approximate root. I have one more variable declared I, which is of integer data type, which acts as a loop control variable in this program. In line number 10 and 11, I am reading a number from the user. In line number 13, I am assigning the value of n to x. It means to say that I am selecting the original number as my approximate root. So in this program, I am using for loop construct to find square root of a given number. So let us see the for loop body. I have initialized I with 0 and the condition is I less than 10. The incrementation part is I plus plus. I will be incremented with 1 every time the loop is executed. In the loop body, I have a formula of Newton-Raphson method. So let us recall it. Approximate root equals to approximate root added to the original number divided by the approximate root whole divided by 2. So this body of the loop will be executed until the I value becomes 10. In line number 21, I have written a printf statement to display the square root, calculated square root. Let us execute this program. Let me give the number 4. The calculated square root is 2. Let me give a different number, 64. I'll get 8 as a root. Let me run this program step by step. Let's put a breakpoint. Enter a number. I am entering 4. So you can observe the right hand side. So I have entered the number 4. So that is the reason n is assigned with the number 4. So x is 0 as of now, I is 0 as of now. So then the next statement to be executed is x equals to n. So which is shown in the green box. So now x has become 4, which is the approximate root I've selected as the original number. Continue. When I is 1, I have an approximate root 2.5. We have seen the same thing in our example. When I is 2, I have 2.04999995. When I is 3, I have got 2.00060987. When I is 4, I have got 2. The square root of the given number. If you have any doubt regarding this concept, please comment it. I would be more happy to solve that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.